The Takeda oncology facility, located in Grange Castle, Ireland, broke ground in 2017. The facility houses all processes of manufacturing in one dedicated building, from drug substance manufacturing to secondary packaging, and from quality control testing to warehousing. Having all elements under one roof has simplified the supply chain, which ultimately led to faster delivery. The design intent of the facility was to use engineering controls to provide full protection to the people who work there. The product is defined as within Occupational Exposure Band 5. There is a permanent physical barrier between the operator and the material. Closed material handling and transfer takes place inside isolators, restricted access barrier systems, and equipment with an innovative approach of 100% integration of different process steps. The integrated design allows for a compact footprint and a reduction in transport. This is a step towards reducing emissions. In addition, the facility is ISO 50001 accredited and is designed to LEED Silver standard. Another distinctive feature of this high containment facility is the visitors corridor, which has given guests from around the world an opportunity to see how the product is manufactured from start to finish. In line with Takeda's digital transformation, cutting-edge technology was applied in this facility. The PAS-X manufacturing execution system, integrated to SAP Enterprise Resource Planning and shop floor equipment, enables completely paperless batch recording and provides data for the real-time performance management boards. The team fully leverage augmented and virtual realities across the facility. Augmented reality glasses facilitate remote expert collaboration with off-site SMEs, while virtual reality has been used for training and virtual facility visits from anywhere in the world. The facility has 4 different areas, which require a number of different skill sets: API, drug product, primary and secondary packaging, and quality control. There's a vast amount of knowledge and experience across the teams who work very closely together, all bound by a shared purpose of bringing better health for people and a brighter future for the world.